Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and taking good care of yourself. So dear students, in today's class we are going to start with the topic article. Now article is something that we generally use in our day-to-day life, and we end up using incorrect usage of articles. So in today's class I am going to help you out with the same. Okay? So let us start with the alphabets in English. We know there are 26 alphabets in English, and out of those 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. Now the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and remaining 21 like B, C, D, F and so on, these are all consonants. Now let us start with the usage of article A. Now where do we use article A? Article A is used in front of the words beginning with consonant sounds. Mark my words, consonant sounds. Why consonant sounds? Because we generally end up using article A just in front of words beginning with consonant, which is wrong. We have to take care of sounds. Now, for example, if I say man, so what will I use here? A man. If I say ball, what will I use here? A ball. These are easy because these words are starting with consonants itself, and they are also giving you consonant sounds. Now where does the trick arise? Suppose if I say uniform. Okay, now uniform, is it a vowel or is it a consonant? It's a vowel. Now, but it is a vowel, but it is also giving you a consonant sound. U sound, B sound is a consonant sound. B, M, P, these are all consonant sounds. Okay. So along with uniform, you will be using a uniform because it is giving you U sound. Let us take one more example. If I say one-eyed man. Now here the man is one-eyed man. Now the word is starting with O. O is a vowel. It is not a consonant. But the sound is V. And V is a consonant sound. So here you will be using a one-eyed man. Clear? Now let us deal with article N. Where to use article N? Now we use article N in front of the words beginning with vowel sound. Vowel sound. Now for your assistance, I have introduced you some of the vowel sounds, and those are a, e, u, e, o, aha and o. These are all vowel sound, and remaining all the sounds in the world are nothing but consonant sounds. So these are the vowel sounds. Whenever you find such sounds anywhere, end up using article N. That's it. For example, if I say apple, let us take a very basic example of it. It is an apple. If I say ice cream, now it will be an ice cream. Okay. If I say orange, an orange. This is easy. But where does the trick rises? When we have words starting with consonant but giving you a vowel sound. Example, L, L, B. Now what is this? L, 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 B. So A sound is nothing but my vowel sound. So I will be using N, L, L, B. If I say one of my friend is MBA, so what will I say? N, MBA. N, M, B, A. See, these are the exceptionals. M is a consonant, but the sound here is A, MBA. Clear? And that's why I will be using N, MBA. Fine. Now, I will give you a small exercise to get well acquainted with the topic articles and the usage of A and N. See here. When I say European, U sound. U sound is a European. Okay. When I say 1 rupee note, what will you use here? A or N? It is a vowel, but the sound is V sound. And that's why you will use here a 1 rupee note. Okay. When I say MLA, now what will you use here? This is consonant, but the sound is A, which is a vowel sound. So that's why you will be using here NMLA. So these are the usage of A and N. Now let us start with the usage of article the. Where to use article the? So article the is basically used with certain names. Okay. For example, if I am talking about the names of famous buildings or monuments, in that case I will be using article the. Okay. For example, if I say Taj Mahal, I will not use a Taj Mahal. It is particular, a famous building. Then I will be using the Taj Mahal. The Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar. It can also be used in front of the names of rivers, seas and oceans. For example, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Ganga, the Jamuna, the Nile River, etc. Okay. It can also be used in front of the names of newspapers. In front of the names of the newspapers. Okay. For example, Times of India. So I will not say a Times of India or an Times of India. I will be using the Times of India. The Times of India. The Chronicle. The New York Times. Okay. The Hitwad. The Navbharata, etc. Now, article the can also be used in front of the names of religious books. Okay. Names of religious books. For example, if I have to say Ramayana, so what will I use here? The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Okay. So these are few uses of article the. Along with it, we generally use article the whenever we talk about ordinals. For example, if I have to say somebody is the first of something, suppose I say Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Okay. So in front of ordinals, we use article the. Okay. He is the topmost performer of the school. Okay. So in that case, I will be using article the. Article the can also be used whenever we talk about superlative degree of adjectives. Superlative degree, let me first introduce you. Tall is positive, taller is comparative, and tallest is superlative. So she is the tallest girl in the class. I said the tallest girl. Okay. The tallest girl. Without using the, I cannot use the superlative degree of adjectives. Clear? Now, the most important usage and confusing usage of the rises whenever we can use article A as well as article the. Then there comes the confusion where to use A and where to use the. For example, I went to the market. Okay, I'm talking here. I went to dash market. Market was dash market was full of people. Now where to use A, where to use the? See, I went to a market because it is, I'm not specifying here which market I'm talking about. It can be any market. So in that case I will use a. a market. Then now I'm specifying the particular market which I went, where I went was full of people. Now I'm specifying it. No other market but the specific market where did I go. There I will use the market. Clear? Now one last usage of it. See, whenever we talk about one and only, like I have one face and suppose somebody hit me on my face, then what will I say? He hit me on a face? No, he hit me on the face, because it is one and only. Whenever we talk about one and only things, one and only positions, we use the. He is the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. Like Mr. Bhupesh Baghel is the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. Mr. Shivraj Chauhan is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and so on. So Chief Minister is one and only position, Prime Minister is one and only position, President is one and only position. So whenever we come across one and only terms, we end up using article the. I hope the topic articles is clear to you.